Hi guys, this is an initial checkout for mainly this system. I know that I mixed this handset to the 6541 model. Is what it's called? Yeah, 6541. So this was mainly for another model. Since this is the 401, it's not the 653. So this is also for a YouTuber that I've been watching. I'm a big fan of him. His name is Tech with Tyler, and I want to share my interest with him, and I hope he'll see this video. So this is also for Jordan Yu as well. Let's see if I'll ring him up for my other number. Let's test. Oh, sorry. Forgot that these were connected. Disconnect this line and this one. Oh, plug them back in at the end of the video. Alright, both of these are unplugged. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so we're gonna be doing like features and some test messages as well. So we're doing test messages first.
Call from Google Voice. Call from Google Voice.
Hello, we are not available now. Please leave your name and phone number after the beep. We will return your call.
Test message for the fart. Sorry, that was unusual. Fart. Fart. It's crazy. Okay, we're gonna be listening to the message.
One new message.
Test message for
Friday, 3:15 p.m.
Wait, I'm gonna delete that message after. How about if I just change my name? Where is it? Google Voice. Hold on. A farm. Alright. Let's call again. Alright, there we go.
call from a farm.
Hello.
Hello.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Alright. Well, I know this is an iPhone, but this is like Google Voice. So, I don't really use my number because I don't feel comfortable. I mean, obviously, I don't feel comfortable leaking it. Alright, now moving on to the features. So, we'll do more calls later. Well, I watched Tech with Tyler. He explained about like the different models throughout about the 401 because that caught my attention because yeah, the buttons are very big. Because I know how this was like on the 652 and the 653. But this is I had this firstly with this because I got this one from Amazon. last summer, and this in August. This summer in August, and I wanted it because mainly I like the old voice better. I don't really like the new voice. The new voice doesn't really catch my attention, and it's very sad for this one how this doesn't really have like a voice at all. And AT&T and VTech together have like one singular caller ID voice, and well, yeah, so forget it. Forget these. We're just doing this. I'm very sorry. Sorry, it's my doorbell. So we're gonna do also the greeting. We're gonna like check the greeting on this.
Hello, we are not available now. Please leave your name and phone number after the beep. We will return your call.
And then versus greeting only. Yeah, greeting only.
Hello, we are not available now. Please call again. Thank you for your call.
Yeah. We're gonna do a call. We're gonna see the difference if it has greeting only.
Call from a Farmbera.
I'm gonna change that after. We're gonna hear it.
We are not available now.
What?
Please call again. Thank you for your call.
I think it cut out the part where it said hello, but you guys get it because I played it through here before I did the call. Right. Now let's make a call to the number. To my test number. Oh, I forgot my phone is silenced.
Call from to accept, press 1.
Hello.
Hello.
This is a
This
test.
is a test.
1, 2,
1,
3.
2, 3.
I'm gonna keep muting and unmuting because I know there's gonna be like a lot of feedback, and I know how to reduce feedback. Again. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. Now let's do a call. I'll do the handset. Oh, sorry, wrong. Dialed it wrong. Actually, forget it. We already did bass. So let's see the voice from the answering.
Answer off. Answer set. Friday, 3/23.
Okay, let's do the intercom test. I'm not gonna do like page everything because there's like phones throughout my house and I don't want it to be disturbing. So, number 1. Oh! Oof.
Hello.
Let me mute this one.
Hello. 1, 2, 3.
Also, there's a cool feature. You can record messages and it'll pop up as a new message, just like this, just like the VTech and AT&T models. So I'll show you. Test message 1, 2, 3. Then it's gonna show up as a new message. Also, let me change it back to a normal greeting. 3 minutes. Also, I can only do 4 rings for all this. I'm doing more rings on this because since I have like a double line, triple, quadruple connected, all 3 of them are connected to one line, and it's gonna be like a big freak show interference. So I set this to greeting only. So if there's like a circle here, it's a greeting only. If there's not, it's back to normal greeting. So no one's able to leave greetings on here. People can leave greetings on here, but I just set the rings here. I just set rings a little bit low or high because I forgot about this. Mainly, I want people to leave greetings on here because this is my main home line. And I programmed all these to have a good behavior on the calls. So, what's it called? Let's do another call, I guess. Oh, sorry, hold on. Before I do that, let me change the phone book entry. Cause I know it sounds so stupid. Cool. Sorry if I take too long, guys. Unfortunately, I will not be doing the call. Where's that phone? It's because, yeah, the program landline is not in order and has like a fault circuit, like short-circuited fault. So, yeah, it's gonna be fixed tomorrow, but I'll see you guys. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace. Goodbye.